Would you look at that? Majestic, isn't it? Welcome to today's video. My name is Professor John Bimble and I have a PhD in aeronautic engineering. Today I'll be showing you how to create and construct the perfect paper aeroplane, one capable of gracing the skies and that the Wright brothers themselves will be proud of. Welcome back. I hope that you brought your pieces of paper with you, because now is the instructional part of the video. First off, you take a sheet of paper, like so. You fold it in half lengthwise. Yes. To the side. You then fold it like this. You then fold it the opposite way like this. Then put in a fold across the way, behind itself like this. Up over itself like this, down the way like that, across the way here, and you should have something that resembles this. Now here's one I've made earlier, as you can see, perfectly the same. Now let's go and test them. Welcome back to the third and final stage of this instructional video, the testing stage. I've set outside a few lights so that we may witness the flight, as I don't know if you've noticed, it's quite dark outside, and I've also set out a camera so that I do not have to move this one inside. All that remains now is to test the plane. Truly majestic, wasn't it? Join me next week when I'll be showing you how to create the perfect paper helicopter. I have a PhD in aeronautics. I've been Professor John Bimble. Take care.